this time I took my glasses on before I started vlogging. Anyway, I noticed that in the last vlog, some scenes were missing. And the reason for that is because I loaded all the footage from my phone onto the computer, but some of the files were missing, and I guess I didn't load them onto the computer. Yay. Currently working on an English essay. Jax got injured yesterday while me and my brother were taking him for his afternoon walk. There was another dog, and me and Maksim decided to start jogging a little. Jax was trying to catch up to us because he's a little bit of a fatty, and then he just sat down and wouldn't move. We're Jax, what the hell? My brother was telling me, just pull him. So I tried, but then I noticed Jax wasn't leaning on one of his feet. One of his feet or one of his paws. And I was like, I think Jax injured himself. And my brother was like, what? So I tried dragging Jax. So he started walking a little, and then he started limping. And we're like, yeah, he injured himself. Maxim, go get dad. Or at least that's what I said. Maxim ran back home, got my dad. And then we tried to bring him back home, but Jax wasn't having any of that. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna just chill here. So me and my brother had to lift him from the back of his harness and waddling back home. So that was funny, but I'm sad that my baby got hurt. And it is what time? I'm also watching a vlog while trying to work on my essay from Cryptic. It is 2:05 a.m. I don't like writing essays, even though in university, I'm doing my Bachelor of Arts. Kill me. I've recently been editing my vlogs on the computer instead of on my phone because it's a lot simpler. There's more, not exactly audios, more texts I could use, more this and that I could use. Why can't they put all these kind of things in the iMovie on the phone? Because that will make my life so much more easier. I might go for a walk today, or at least later. Oh yeah, and also, Happy Pride Month! My mom keeps telling me, oh yeah, if you go for that walk every day, you won't have your little thighs touching, because I used to always have a thigh gap. Oh yeah, and also on the 5th would be exactly 1 year since I went to New York and embarrassed the hell out of myself. I'm almost a university student and I don't know how to start a goddamn essay. Help me, Lord above. It is really early in the morning. I really should not be up this late. My nails are motherfucking long for being gay. So you guys, I'm sorry I haven't vlogged all day. Today is my brother's friend's birthday, so that's going for us, and I need to look at my scholarship certificate. Fuck. Isn't this goddamn fun? My shoulder's been so sore recently, and I don't know what is going on. Just, it hurts, and I don't know why. Jax, what you doing over there, buddy? What you doing? You begging for him to give you food?
I'm sure he wants to go back in.
Let's test to see if he's hungry or if you gotta go. Jax, you gotta go pee pee? Jax, you gotta go pee pee? Or are you hungry, buddy? He's hungry. Feed him. Come on, Dad. Feed him. I'm trying to work on my thing. Come on, feed him. Hey, Jax. Hi. As you can tell, Jax has a limp because he hurt his foot the other day. Oh, my baby. Dad boy. What?
I have $100 now, or 101.
How do you know?
Because I fucking counted with my brain. Is she making a TikTok?
Are you talking to Ethan?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, dude!
Thank you. I was really sad about it.
Oh, my baby. Which means you have to save up a little extra in order to get the headphones and the thing.
No, I'm getting headphones for my grading day.
Well, I'm either getting a microwave or probably my own camera.
Hey, did you hear that?
I'm probably gonna get a microwave for grading.
She wants a fucking microwave.
For the basement, so then I can have my own ramen. Duh.
Tomorrow I might go for a bike ride to Sobeys or something.
You're not going on a bike ride to Sobeys.
I don't know. I need to renew my Xbox Pass. So I made $101 so far, and I'm not gonna save it up. My goal is to get to $100. I do not care.
No, it's the fact that I still have 174.
Fucking, she has $174.
And 34 cents! 174 and 34 cents, bitch! You do not need to saran wrap your money. Put it in a bag.
No, the people at the counter will have to count all of it, because do you see how much I have in wrapped?
But still, it's good to put it in a bag.
If you put it in a bag, or can I just tell them it's all $101 in total? They'll be like,
They'll
okay.
know. They don't need to count each individual one. And the fact that you should probably wait till after the quarantine because they won't be taking cash.
What?
Because you're handling the money and you're going out in public, so most places aren't taking cash.
Well, I could get one for free because like my subscription.
No, you can't.
How much is a card?
I don't know, but you can't get a card for free.
Fuck.
You really thought you could, Maksim?
Yeah, I'm a dumbass.
Oh, I know.
So you guys, I'm talking extremely loudly now. If you couldn't already tell from the last scene, Max was talking to his friend, and since quarantine's happening and all that, we can't exactly pay with cash, can we? I'm gonna try and see if this will stand here. Okay, good. My parents went to the hospital because my mom ate a chocolate bar with nuts in it. It was was it a Cadbury? It was a Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate bar, fruit and nut, and she didn't know that it was a fruit and nut one. She's allergic to nuts, and washed her mouth, took her EpiPen, and then now they're on the way to the hospital, even though it's like 20 minutes. I'm the one in charge here, so me and my faggotry. I may not look like a queer, but I am a queer. I like the puss. My brother's playing with a toy bike that we've had for since it was even my cousin's, I believe, before it was mine. Little team. Let's see if I can actually find the bike online. Let's see if I can find the bike that we have here. Cause it's an old ass motherfucking bike. Cause you can paddle. Oh my gosh, they still have little Teek's car. What? They have them to look like that now? Oh my... What? Okay, they are spoiling these kids. Why do they have Caillou playset? The hell? The bike.
Find the goddamn motherfucking bike. Oh, it's Megan's right. I remember that bike. Oh, that's right.
Oh, I had this exact car as a kid. I had this exact one. Oh my god, I'm going through memory lane here. I had that exact bike. Or car, should I actually say. Oh, is that a Lightning McQueen one? No, that's not a Lightning McQueen one. It looks like is that? Oh, I was correct! It is a Lightning McQueen one. It's hard to tell, but it is a Lightning McQueen one. Like, bitch, is it that hard to find a bike? Oh, the Doge is moving. Reaction if you want, but this is funny. I am vlogging on my phone because I don't have a camera. Maxim, don't destroy the bike for goddamn sake! Can I find the bike? Can I find the bike? Can I find the bike? Okay. I'm not looking for a goddamn car. I'm looking for a bike. I'm especially not looking for that, which I remember seeing multiple times in my doctor's office. So they didn't have the bike that I'm looking for because I might as well just show you guys the bike. Because you can hear the bike. Maxim, don't destroy the house and don't destroy the bike. I swear to God. I have to swear at Maxim sometimes just for him to fucking listen. Can I find that bike? Oh, can I find that bike? Can I find that bike? Oh, can I find that bike? I'm not looking for the toy cars. I'm not looking for freaking toddler horse things. I'm not looking for the freaking little vintage little toddler school bus. I'm not looking for freaking baby carriages. I'm looking for a bike. God damn. I'm not looking for a house. Help me, Mother of God. I'm not looking for a dollhouse. I'm not looking for a freaking stove. I'm looking for a goddamn motherfucking bike.
No. You can't move. What does this mean?
Jax, what are you doing? Oh, did you sneeze? Oh, that's you. Gesundheit.
That's Jack. Stop snarling at him.
Oh, Gesundheit. Stop annoying him, Max.
I think he's fed up.
Go back to watching your YouTube or whatever.
Bro, look at he's looking so bad.
Oh, my baby. That's nasty.
I'll throw up right
Just- What are you doing? What are you doing in my laboratory? I've never watched Dexter's Laboratory. And I don't know why that came to my mind.
Bro, I could go in there in my shirt.
Baku Bro was in your shirt?
No! No. No! It's fucking gay.
Maxim. I don't know why I laughed so much at that.
Jack! Stop flipping around. I feel like
There
you're
we go.
faking it now.
Yeah, dogs will learn things, like especially if like they're injured, and they figure out, oh, I can get treats from this, from being injured. They'll act hurt. Not all dogs whimper when they get hurt.
What do you mean?
He didn't whimper. He just sprained his ankle. Get your fucking ass back inside! Okay, get eaten by ducks. I don't care. Get eaten by a freaking siren head for all I fucking care. Get your fucking ass back inside. He won't get his ass back inside, or else I'm gonna whip his ass. Protective older sister mode activated. Oh, baby. Because he is hurt. Christ, Mac! So I got the popcorn in. Jax is waddling his ass around because he is injured.
Beans and tomatoes.
So you're about to shit yourself.
Probably when I go to bed, I will.
He's currently holding his ass.
I don't get any haggard magazines.
Yeah, because they're all in Dad's name. I swear I thought I just saw a face outside, but it was just the deck. You're nasty. Penis breath?
Penis.
Are you gay?
No, penis press.
You bench pressed your penis. Since our mom went to the hospital, my high senses are on alert 24/7 now. Well, it's not like they're not always on, especially out in public. If somebody seems sketchy, I get sketched out. Even if they're just walking normally, I get sketched out at everyone. Have you seen me in the mall when I'm with Kiara? I get sketched out so easily. Like when I'm out in public, my brain just hey, that person's walking normally. I'm gonna rise your anxiety to a level 100, even though your level capacity is 10. Mickey's Dick Smasher. Do you feel really uncomfortable?
What'd you say?
Mickey's Dick Smasher.
Which Mickey?
Mickey Mouse.
What about
It's
his
the
dick
Mickey
smash?
Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, we'll smash your dick. Maxim, you are nasty. Jax, don't be licking that. Don't be licking the game.
No,
Meet my
this is
little
nice.
baby. This is my
My nose.
This is my little baby. He is a golden retriever. Here's my baby boy.
He's the.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm smacking that ass. Get your ass to bed. I will actually smack your ass with this. I will shove this up your ass.
You won't. Bet. Alright, bet. Yeah, fuck you.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Oh, you'll figure out.
How are you using all your force? I'm using all my strength. I'm using 9% of my power.
I don't know.
Where is he? Oh, I just farted.
Maxim, you're gonna break your door.
What do you mean? What? Oh, you little son of a bitch.
So guys, I am almost finished editing this vlog. And I know I didn't do what I promised, which was to go on a walk today, try to get some fresh air. It's just that it was raining. My neck is just so sore right now. I probably should just like relax my neck because it's so sore right now and I don't know why. Could be for me. Oh, the pooch has awoken. Anyway, it could be from looking down on my iPad for 3 days straight because I was drawing. Oh, I am choking myself with my eyes out with shirt. My neck is just sore as fuck right now. My parents got home roughly around like half an hour-ish ago. But other than that, my mom's fine. She feels better and everything. They were gone for around like 2-3-ish hours. It's good that she's feeling better. And I'm going to leave this vlog today. I will leave this vlog saying, see ya.